the end, but more minutes in the legs nonetheless.
Yeah, like I said, first game of the season. Results don't really matter pre-season. I thought the performance was really good again tonight. A lot of people out. I think we had 9 missing tonight. I think on the pitch we had 8 academy lads at the end. So overall, very pleasing.
Yeah, and it's nice next game to build on. So with that in mind, it was obviously nice for George to get a goal as well.
Yeah, like I say, George, he's been off for a couple of weeks. Like I said, we've had quite a few at the moment. We're struggling with injuries and little niggles and that. So the lads who come in have done well, and they're all fighting for a place to start the season.
Yeah, and a lot of the lads who have come in have been youngsters. So today, the likes of Barney Simpson and Elliot Orton particularly performed really well.
Yeah, I think 17. I was thinking the back three the other night. We played Vauxhalls. We had a back three of 17, 17, 18. All academy lads. So it's looking bright here.
Yeah, and there's a short turnaround now of less than 48 hours until the next
Yeah.
game against Hollingsworth.
Yeah.
That's going to be a good test, isn't it?
That's what we're mindful tonight about the game Saturday. With a few niggles, we didn't want to. That's why I made a lot of changes. I think 20 minutes ago we made 6 changes. So hopefully we're okay for Saturday, and we just have to go again Saturday and see who's available and pushing on for next week.